It has come to our attention that the She-Hulk star Tatiana Maslany's bank balance has reached $3 million, all thanks to Marvel for casting her in their new Hulk sequel. She is such an underrated actress, but her entrance to Marvel has instantly made her a millionaire. Let's find out how she earns and spends her millions, and make this video more interesting for you guys. Before we talk about Tatiana's splendid posh life, here's a little background for those who haven't heard of Tatiana before her casting in Marvel's She-Hulk. Tatiana is a 33-year-old Canadian actress who has made a major part of her career out of American TV series. Given the spotlight in the media for her major role in the famous TV series Black Orphan, Tatiana is said to have charged $50,000 per episode. For portraying an amazing and spot-on role in her sci-fi drama Black Orphan, Tatiana was honored as the first Canadian woman to win an Emmy Award in a major dramatic category for a Canadian series. Since Tatiana has been making serious headlines after she was teased in Marvel's She-Hulk trailer, her social following has started to increase. Within a few weeks, Tatiana gained around 300,000 followers on Instagram. She has also gotten her hands on some huge brand endorsements, but let's not tease further and end your curiosity about the actress's luxurious lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of the She-Hulk actress Tatiana Maslany. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. With the leading role in She-Hulk, Tatiana has scored a full 6 digits and has entered the millionaire lifestyle. With her new millionaire status, Tatiana seems to be living the life of her dreams. According to sources, Tatiana has purchased a $2.1 million ranch-style home in downtown Los Angeles. She also flaunts her expensive car collection outside red carpet events and appears with a freshly new expensive car every time. Guess our She-Hulk doesn't like repeating cars. Through her social handles, we have got to know that Tatiana loves spending her money on expensive clothes and handbags because paparazzis always spot her outside designer outlets. Her hard work in the acting industry is finally paying off. Sources have shed light on Tatiana's beautiful home in California where she resides with her partner. Accordingly, Tatiana has just dolled out $2.1 million for a stylish ranch-style home in Los Angeles, tucked away in San Fernando Valley's northeastern and equestrian-friendly neighborhood of Shadow Hills. After it popped up for sale with a nearly $1.4 million ask this past February, records indicate that the Canadian actress won the place in a fierce bidding war where she ended up paying more than $700,000 over asking. Described in the listing as a little slice of paradise, the 1940s house weighs in at just over 1,800 square feet and includes 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Recently updated by its previous design owners, the single-story residence boasts gorgeous interiors accented throughout with wood beam ceilings, blonde hardwood floors, and modern amenities. Other than acting, what else does Tatiana do for a living? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Surprisingly, Tatiana is also a model and a gym freak. Tatiana delights her fans through her inspirational quotes that give the audience motivation to get up and start their fitness journey. Staying within the acting industry, Tatiana has done a lot of brand advertisements, modeling, and paid promotions with renowned brands on social media. Recently, one of Tatiana's go-to whips is her Sakota. She has been taking her $51,000 smashing Sakota for a spin everywhere in the United States. As Tatiana has surpassed $3 million, she continues to live her privileged life without spoiling herself or damaging others with her influence and power. Tatiana is settled down with boyfriend Tom Cullen and wishes to rise in Hollywood, just like every other artist. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Tatiana's millionaire lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.